my people. Take me for who I am. Take me for who I am. Take me for who I am. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. This news just come up. Hey, from America, for America. Hey, this my English may not go the break people table. Yes, so this news come from America. This news happened for America. A 40 years old girl. When she born. 40 years old pikin when she born from America. Then this girl, she can't try to carry the pikin go restaurants. Yes, can't carry the pikin go restaurant. You can't give one lady may help her whole. Then the lady can't help her whole. Before you see the woman don't grace, the 40 years old girl, she don't grace come up for the restaurants. Then they can't they wait her, make she not come. They can't say the pikin they stop breathing, the pikin not they breathe again. Now they quick call ambulance, call police, then they call for the rescue. Then they can't look for the girl, they can't see the girl, then the judge not charge the judge not charge am because they say buy am. The main reason why I bring this gist come outside is because about our Africa, Nigeria. When Africa, Nigeria, mostly my country, when you go see young girls go born, they will go put pikin for dustbin. Why this girl not put this pikin for trash now? Now because of say if she put her and they discover her fingerprint, and if she put her in the society, the area know say she get belle. If she buy the girl, now everlasting prison melt. You see, a lot of things surround this girl. Before this girl go drop this pikin with this lady, so you have tell me say she never think all those things. She don't think of all those things. Then she go still think of the consequence when she go fix. The way thing go pass down if she buy the pikin or if she dump the pikin or because her fingerprint they go use them. If our country bring all those things come up, I not believe say person go they bump pikin through way. Okay, now when the country say he abandoned the pikin for restaurants, what did they do? Now immediately person just abduct am. They abduct the pikin. The pikin now is a good hand, it is safe hand. But if our Africa people, for my Africa, my Nigeria be Nigeria pikin. If na Nigeria, this kind of thing no happen. No. Whether they will give the pikin back to her, yes, me not wake me for this sleep. This same pikin, they will give her back to this girl. This person will carry this child, come outside, abandon her for restaurants, go. If police don't arrest her, human rights, they go still give this pikin, 14 years old pikin. This girl still young. May we tell ourselves the truth. She's still young. She see the cassava, the cucumber. It's sweet and she enter and she chop and then she don't know say the thing go swell up. The thing swell up. It become a child, it become a human being for her to fix. She looks say she know face am. What to do? She look for somebody to give out the child. My people, my country Nigeria, please, I dey beg. Many of our children, many of our sisters, when they give birth, I beg, no, not try to they look into those things. Those people, when would they catch, like say, the thief pikin. If you be one of person, when they hype another person pikin, when they say, na my child, when they dear for their children, you they try to thief and no good. Look for those kind of people who they are not capable to take care of their children, who never reach, who never know to say, okay, I want to become a mother. Those kind of people, look for them. Now, everything on the social media, don't talk about my video. Announce am. Look for people when they do social media. Tell them, make they announce am for you. Say, if you be get child, when you get belle, you no want take care of that child. Not about her, no born her away. Born her and give me. I go adopt her, I go take care of her. I go take care of her as my own, as your own. Yes. If you now dey like that, now they come out like that, than to they thief other people's children. Now, two ways this my video they do now. Thieving people's children. Look for children when they get belle, when they never reach to be mother, when they find where to drop the pikin. Look for her. If you be child, not kill that pikin. No, that pikin not what to kill. God have reason for bringing child through you to this world. Look for responsible family. Look for responsible home when they look for child. Give it to them, make they take care of her. For you to buy pikin, for you to put pikin inside a place, toilet, not good. Look for. Now, wait till I get. Wait till this video tell me. And our government, those kind of children, may we try set up place. So if something like this happen, now like this, now like this. This girl from America, this 40 years, they not arrest her because he not buy the pikin. He tried to give somebody, then he make it way. They not do anything. They just adopt the child. If in my country now, they will give back to this child to the owner. No, now they collect sense, so my people. No, now they collect sense. And if you be small girl, you come across this my video. You know, say you know very well because as far as they chop that cucumber, cucumber chopper. I don't want to laugh before because they touch me. As far as they chop that cucumber, the cucumber they sweet you. Hey, remember the work behind it. Chopping cucumber, chopping the cassava. Remember that cassava can be a human being like you tomorrow. It can break that cassava. It can break human being like you when you dey chop. That cucumber when you go dey chop, they will tell you say first when you use that girl, no, that thing when you oh, my people, me I leave you now. That's why I get to talk. I just see the news. I say, me I tell my people, it don't happen for America, go. It don't happen for America. Now it's off break. This one come up. Also, my true mommy still send me video also about this kind thing. Also, if you don't know my true mommy, what are you waiting for? Go and grab her. Same thing, it happen for Nigeria. People that go born pikin, baby factory, baby, they will come they sell children. It not fit happen for America, but it happen for Nigeria. Thank God they don't arrest those people. Please, if you not get my true mommy, follow her. Almost the same thing. That happen for America, that happen for Nigeria. So Nigeria, oh, those children now. But America, that pikin go school any length when you say one week, go on. I pray make those kind of things happen. You, when you they look for child, you, when you know say you are capable, you they look for person pikin to thief. Not look for person pikin. Look for the genuine one. Look for child. Look for genuine children. Not look for, motherless home they when you go adult pikin. Maybe now stop to the thief. Now it's why I get to talk, my people. I'll see you in my next video. If you find this video very interesting, okay, drop your own opinion. Join this beautiful family. All my returning, I'm loyal. In fact, I'm loyal to everybody. I'm so humble and I'm loyal. Thank you all for always be there, for always supporting Naija Daughter TV. I'm loyal, okay? Please, if you not get through mommy, follow her, okay? Try and follow her. Now, almost the same thing now happen soon. America and Nigeria. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
He don't cast, last.